Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety during our journey, please keep your hands and arms inside the cabin and remain seated at all times. And no smoking, please. We're riding aboard a Mark V monorail, an advanced design of the first daily operating monorail system in the Western Hemisphere, introduced right here at Disneyland. Since its opening in 1959, the Disneyland Monorail system has carried more than 80 million passengers along a 2.5-mile highway in the sky. We've reached a comfortable cruising speed of 30 miles an hour. To our left is Harbor Boulevard, the road you probably used to enter Disneyland today. Our 100-acre parking area. You're probably engaged in a favorite activity here at Disneyland, trying to find the family car. I trust you've already found yours by now. Just ahead is our next stop, the Disneyland Hotel. This year-round resort offers its own worlds of fun and entertainment, including specialty restaurants, lounges, a water marina, live entertainment, and a collection of specialty shops. If you wish to disembark, please make sure you have your Disneyland passport and have your hands stamped as you leave the station. For your convenience, you may reboard the monorail and return to Tomorrowland anytime up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Just show your hand stamp and passport at the turnstile. This is the Disneyland Hotel station. If you are leaving us here, please gather your belongings and exit the station toward the rear of the monorail. Stand for control. To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard. For your safety, we ask that you keep your hands and arms inside the cabin during our journey. Remain seated at all times, and no smoking, please. We're now en route to Tomorrowland, riding aboard a Mark V monorail, the newest generation of Disneyland monorails. These trains were designed for a top speed of 70 miles per hour. But as we approach the Magic Kingdom, our Disneyland Skyway Patrol sees to it that we stay at a comfortable 35 miles per hour. Is the main entrance of Disneyland. Beyond it is Main Street, USA, offering a glimpse of what life was like in America nearly a century ago. To re-enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so please keep your hands and arms inside the cabin. We are now turning toward Tomorrowland. Directly below us is the Autopia, the safest superhighway in America, where nearly anyone can drive a sports car and no license is required. The shimmering waters below are part of Submarine Lagoon, where Disneyland's own fleet of research subs dives deep beneath the ocean, exploring the mysteries of liquid space. ice-covered alpine slopes across the way belong to the famous Matterhorn Mountain, home to the most thrilling and popular year-round bobsled run in the world. Just ahead, the pastel spires of It's a Small World. And just beyond it, the entrance to Mickey's Toontown. Across the way, the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland. As we circle Matterhorn Mountain, I'd like to remind you to please keep your hands and arms safely inside the monorail. We are now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination.
Base to Monorail 1. You are cleared for Tomorrowland approach.
Monorail 1, 10-4, on final approach. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thank you for traveling with us.